Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Windows update error with the error code 0x8024B102, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter, click on Run. The next solution will be to disconnect all external hardware and USB devices just in case they are triggering this error, and then reboot your computer. After this, you need to ensure that your device drivers are updated, but since this is done through Windows Update, so we can halt it for now. After this, you can reset all the Windows Update components, and this has been explained over a separate article and video here. Also, you can clear the contents of the Software Distribution and Catroot2 folders, which has also been explained over separate articles and videos. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.